Let's take a look now at enrolling a student into an NCVPS course. You have already added the student to the registration system. You've entered their demographic and biographical data by clicking on students and adding students. Now to enroll them into a course, you will click on enrollments, and that takes you to the enrollment page. Now you can sort courses by course title, semester, or department. If it says academic year 2009-2010, that would be a year-long course. Let's go back to course title. If a section is highlighted in blue, that means that particular section is full. In the teacher column, as soon as a teacher has been identified for a section, the teacher's name will appear. And if a semester is already underway and it's past the enrollment deadline, the enroll button does not work. You couldn't add a student to that course. So summer is closed, and you can see I can't click on those enrolls. But if I go up to a fall course, that's still open. So I click on enroll, and I can click on any of the sections, even one that's full, because the registration system will put the student into the first available seat. So you can't really choose the section that you want a student to go into. So for advanced functions here, you can see we have 5 sections. One section is already at capacity, but I can still click on that enroll button for that course. Now you can see I have 2 columns here. The first column here on the left, it shows students that I have already enrolled into that course. And you can see I have Karen Jackson enrolled there. In the right column, these are all the students that I've entered into the registration system on this side. And I can move these students into the course by clicking the box next to their name and then clicking the enroll button. And it will put the student into the first available section. And remember, section 1 of this course was full, so it put the student in, you can see right here, section 2. And if it says enrollment, anything, enrollment pending, enrollment in progress, that means the student has a secure seat. If the student is on the wait list, there's no guarantee that the student will get into the course. Now to remove a student from the course, it's just a reverse process. I click the box next to the student's name, and then I click on remove. And it will take the student from being enrolled back into the other column as not enrolled. You can remove students from a course anytime before the course begins and up until the 10th day of a class. Our drop period goes from day 1 to day 10, and the DLA does that in the system. So you would just go back in, click by the student's name, click remove, and it takes the student out of the course. And again, you can do that up to the 10th day of any semester for a course. After the 10th day, if the student's still on the roster, if you've not dropped them, that student will receive a grade for the course. And that's all there is to enrolling a student into an NCVPS course.